It's less than a month till Christmas and Auckland City is bringing out all the stops. We are at the Christmas parade today and we are so excited to kick off Christmas month with this event. There's so many people, so stick around if you want to see what this parade is like, because we've never seen it before. We are so excited.
The parade route was 1.6 kilometers long, with the longest stretch going down Queen Street.
It's starting! They're coming. We can see them coming down the road.
And Mickey Mouse.
And Mickey Mouse. From France. Would you walk down Queen Street on stilts?
No. Imagine you fall and all these people see you. It would be pretty
embarrassing. It's impressive. Almost an hour and the floats are still coming past. It is like so impressive and incredible.
So cool. There's just so much, it's never ending, and there's so many people.
There was a nutcracker one for the ballerinas. It was so cute. The parade isn't done, but we're gonna walk up Queen Street and because our legs are getting sore from just standing still. I'd say standing here by the Civic is actually a good spot because you can see up the road, and you have to come early though. Tip for next year, come early, bring a chair and sit in the front. Our clips aren't the best because we weren't standing in the front.
But still pretty cool. You can see over people's shoulders and just find new spots. So there's lots to see, really cool.
Otherwise, custom street.
Yeah.
That was pretty empty when we came here. For next year.
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas, everyone. Only 29 more sleeps. I'm getting excited. Merry Christmas, everyone.
It's so New Zealand. Father Christmas is sitting on a volcano. On a volcano. The parade is finished and now everyone is just walking into Queen Street. It is pretty cool.
Yeah.
And we're heading up to Aotearoa Square because apparently there's a Christmas party with performances. So we're just going to check that out and see. Let's go. Christmas parade was absolutely worth it and so cool, and if you have the chance to come next year, you have to do it.
There was so many people, such a vibe, and yeah, we're gonna catch a bus home now. It's been a great day.